Hi guys, so today I'll be reviewing my new travel backpack, and just full disclosure, this is not sponsored. It's sponsored by my husband. This one is the one I got from Cotopaxi, and this is the Allpa 28L. What really caught my eyes is the color combination of this backpack. As you can see, it has different colors. Okay, right here. And this is the front of the backpack. It's made out of nylon. It's just very simple design. And the back right here, and you're probably wondering where the shoulder straps are, right? So I wanted to show you guys that the shoulder straps, the chest straps, and the belt straps, you can actually tuck it away because you can carry the backpack just like this, different ways to carry it too. So that way makes it very unique. So I will pull the shoulder straps right here. And look how pretty those colors are. Okay. And the belt straps here. And it looks like this. All right, there you go. So you see how those color combination is very unique, and that's why I like this backpack. And at the front there is a front pocket right here, and it's big enough to put your essentials. And there's also additional mesh pocket inside, so you want to put anything secure here, and it keeps you organized because there's additional pockets right here as well, so anything small that you want to put in just to keep all of your stuff organized. Okay, so that is the front pocket of this backpack, and there is the rain cover pocket as well. And this comes with, like I said, the cover. It's rain cover, but I will try to see how convenient it is for me to actually use it when we're traveling and using it as my carry-on, and just to keep it away from any dirt when I'm storing my backpack underneath the seats. So it looks like this. This is a cover. And this really it stretches out here. So, all right, and to store it back, it's very easy. Just fold it. You don't have to be fancy. Just fold it like this, and you can easily store it back here. And on the other side, it has a laptop sleeve. Okay, padded laptop sleeves right here, and also an iPad sleeve. The zipper pulls as well. It comes with the anti-theft tab or loop, whatever you call this. So all the outer zipper pulls outside, you can easily just do that and it doesn't open. And same goes front right here, and especially the front, because like I said, that's where I'll be putting my wallet and whatever I need to put, passport. Let me show you the inside of this backpack. So this backpack has two compartments, and for me, this is already my packing cubes. I normally travel with packing cubes, but because I feel like if I do that, it will just be more bulky and defeats the purpose of having like a lightweight backpack. So this is the main compartment. Okay, and it's about, I'd say, two inches deep. So you can actually put a lot of stuff. Just depends on the items or clothes that you'll be packing. So I'll show you later what fits in this backpack. I'll be going to the Bay Area this weekend for a 2-day trip. So we'll see what fits and I will show you guys. And the other compartment here also has 2 mesh pockets, and the bottom goes all the way here, all the way down here. So I'll be putting my makeup bag, toiletries, and hair tools, and whatever else I want to put in here. And it's, again, pretty spacious, okay? And there's additional pocket right at the top here. Okay, so maybe put your charger, whatever you want to put here. Hi guys, so like what I said, I will be showing you guys how I will pack for this weekend using the Cotopaxi 28-liter backpack. I'll be packing for a 2-day weekend trip to the Bay Area, so I know it'll be a little bit chilly there, so I'll be using this one. This is my outfit for tomorrow, airport, and then this will be my outfit for 2 days. Let's organize. So like I said, this is the main compartment right here. I just rolled everything right here to be more organized. Okay, and this is outfit worth 2 days and sleeping clothes as well. All right, and sleeping clothes right here, and then undergarments and the socks. So that's for the inside, the main compartment. And for the second compartment, I'll be packing all my toiletries, cosmetics, toothbrush, hair tools, and this little thing that I have here for my small items, my chopsticks. So all the toiletries right here, and just so you know guys, everything is already in a small container. Moisturizer, toner, it's all in this little container here. So this one goes right inside, and I will put it all the way here. And makeup here, and the brushes separately here, and toothbrush here, and my portable hair straightener, and my dry bar hair dryer. So this goes here, and zip it. And this is just my chopstick, cologne, and some like hair stuff that I have. So I will be putting it right over here. And I actually forgot that I have this one as well. I'll be using it over this weekend, so I'm not carrying like a big backpack. So I will actually put it right in this compartment as well. Okay. And oops, sunglasses. So as you can see, it is starting to fill, but it's still, I still do have a lot of space here. And I'll just show you. And for the front pocket, and this is still pretty deep, I still have a lot of space here. I will put my wallet here, fully secured, just right here, and my AirPods right here, and cell phone. And this is going to be my personal item for Frontier Airlines. And my new Frontier Airlines, they have requirements is 18 inches. But like this is 19 inches just for reference. But I'm pretty sure it'll fit in that little bin. You can see, I can squeeze it. Just don't stuff it, okay? But it's I pretty much have everything here that I need this weekend. And I would like to say I'm 5'6", but I'm not. I'm only 5'1", 152, so I'm short, guys, okay? So, this is how it looks with my body frame. It's a little bit heavy because I have all my tools and whatnot. I know I should not be bringing that, but I want to use my own stuff. But it's padded, so there it goes. And I will actually show you the rain cover. And like I said, it comes with a rain cover, right? I know it's not gonna rain this weekend, but I will try to see how I can utilize this one when I am storing this under the seat. Keep it clean. And look, guys, it fits perfectly, right? Isn't this amazing? And I love it. Thank you, husband. And there you go. Store it under your seat. And we're ready. Thank you for watching, guys. Like I said, this is not sponsored. It's sponsored by my husband. So thank you. Bye-bye. See you next time.